Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Shailini, Sheth, Amin.
author of.
Fit In, Stand Out, Walk, Stories from the Pushed Away Hill. That has been published recently.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It has been fantastic. It opened my eyes to lots of things. We have seen book fairs, but this is really one of the largest that I have seen in India. So that has been tremendous.
So a little bit about your book, man. Fitting in and standing out are such, like two opposite things. How do you include both of them?
My book is written at several levels.
Right.
On a one level, that is a story of Neelima. Neelima is an orphan, and she meets all mentors in her life, and then she has a vision, she has a mission to work. But the whole constant question is the identity and finding your own self in the whole mire of positives and negatives that happens.
Right.
So that's a kind of a story at one level. Right. On the second level, it is a story about women who work outside homes,
right,
and their situation in the society is seen differently. Anything they talk about is called bragging. Anything badly talked, they are pulled down.
Right.
So there are different notions. So apart from everything else, being a women entrepreneurs, you have to deal with all of that.
Right.
The third layer of the book is about it's for everybody.
Okay.
That we all are looking for our own identity. Of course, the Neelima story is fantastic. It's also based on my life, so a lot of the incidents that has happened is related to me.
If you had to share one tip with our readers for how they can fit in, stand out, and walk, what would that one tip be?
You can be a survivor. That's one thing you got to know. You have to protect your soul. You have to protect what energy, spark that has been given to you. And it is challenging, but it is always possible to do that. And if somebody even gets one thing out of that and enriches their life out of that, I think I'll be most grateful. So that's and thank you for the opportunity to get my book published. Right. And I'm really, really happy for that.
That's very inspiring, man. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Thank
I hope
you.
you have
Thank
a
you so
wonderful
much.
book.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.